Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make an inventory system, part 2. And before we begin, we're going to go into our sprite player. We're going to duplicate it and name this sprite like fire player. Okay, so let's go in here. Let's make a fire player. I'm just going to make a hat. It's not that good. Okay. There we go. We have our little hat. Now we are going to go into the player and we're going to go into the step event and we're going to write fire, well, not the step event, let's go into the create event. Fire equals false. Okay, so then let's go down here and then let's write if fire equals true, sprite index equals sprite fire player. Okay, so if the fire equals true, then it will change the sprite into the fire player instead of the normal player. If fire equals false, sprite index equals sprite player. Okay, pretty simple. If fire equals false, then yeah. So let's make an inventory slot like this. So let's duplicate this. Object inventories slot weapon. Okay, let's do the weapon. Slot, let's make it slot W. Okay. If slot W equals true, and slot W equals true, yeah. Okay, so let's go in here and then let's add a slot W equals false. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so let's go into mouse and then left pressed. Okay, so replace meeting XY objects inventory slot 1. Then let's say snap 1 equals false, snap W equals true. Okay, so, and then with object player, fire equals true. Okay, so if the snap W equals true, which is going to be in this, then we're going to tell the player to turn into the fire person. Okay, so then I think we're good. Oh nope, we still need to add the snap W or else it won't work. Snap W. Okay, so we're going to make it turn into that. Okay, now we're going to have to do this. X equals X, Y equals Y. And let's also copy that. Snap W equals false. Okay, now let's go into our room. Add this. Then let's play the game. If snap W equals true. So fire staff Oh, I did slot W. I meant, so let's do snap as well. Okay, so if we left or right click, nothing will happen. If we do that, then it'll go in there. If we right click, then it'll go right in there. And then if we right click, nothing will happen because we haven't done that code yet. But so far, it's gone really well. So let's go into our right pressed. So let's make this turn into, let's create another object called object inventory. Okay. Make the parent. Okay, so object inventory. So let's try this one more time. See if it'll work. So we go over here, we pick it up, we go like that, and then we do that, but it still has the player's hat. So fire equals false. Okay, sweet. Now let's test this out one more time and see if it'll work. Okay, we have our hat, and then we don't have our hat anymore. We have our hat, no more hat, hat. Okay, sweet. It's working perfectly. Okay, thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll show you guys how to make fireballs and stuff like that. So see you next time.